Despite all my efforts, the Razer keyboard is still seemingly unfixable, so we're going to take things up a notch. It's time to replace all of the keycaps. Or maybe not all of them, but just these three. I had a hard time taking them off, but once I did, I cleaned inside and then took the replacement caps off the other board. When it came to replacing the shift key, I ran into a slight problem because the Razer keyboard was expecting stabilizers, whereas the backup keyboard that I was taking the keys from didn't have that. Meaning I had to take the add-ons off of the shift key, but it was a little bit stuck on there. Luckily, the first tool I tried worked, so we got that fixed, but now let's give it a sound test. When feeling the keys, I was immediately worried because it felt like the shift wasn't going down all the way, and the other keys had a very distinct sound compared to the normal Razer keys.